everyone, today I show you how to join Falcon Gaming. Falcon Gaming is esports for the games Fortnite, Rainbow Six Siege and Rocket League. Yes, you join the Discord, the link is in the description, and the first channel you see is this. You got the DM with this text, and please read this text. This is really important, and this is a text about Falcon Gaming. And yes, if you want to join Falcon, you click on this channel and you see a really big text. Please read this text, it's really important too. And if you have finished this, read this text, we have two reactions. This reaction is for player apply and this reaction is for staff apply. Today I show you how to join a player. I click on this reaction, I got the DM, and I answer this question. I am 15, score 5. Which team Fortnite, and the last question is, why do you want to join us? This question is for me really simple. I write test. Please answer the question, and yes, the last question, if you answer the last question, they will send this message with image, and I can click on this. Your application sent in this channel, but you don't see this channel. Yes, I can click on this reaction, I accept. If I click on this reaction, I was deleted, and if I click on this reaction, the bot create a ticket. Finish. This is how to join Falcon, or how do you make an application for join Falcon. And yes, thanks for watching and bye.